Turn 4 Automotive Performance back here at the PRI show. We are with Rich, representative from ACT Clutch. We do a ton of ACT stuff in the shop. You've seen all the XDSS, HDSS stuff we do on the cars. Brand new item coming out, going to be available in the springtime to summer. A twin disc clutch for your Subaru STI and your Mitsubishi Evolution. This thing's going to hold 700 to 1,100 foot-pounds of torque. And Rich is going to tell us some of the benefits with it today.
Thank you. So yeah, we've got the new forged twin coming out real soon, and what we're excited about is we finally found a way to have a balanced sprung hub inside, because there's not a lot of room, as everybody knows, in these clutches. So the way we've done it's a very modular design. So literally with these 9 posts, and each post we can take out the diaphragm spring, totally serviceable. You can even take these out, not that you're ever going to need to, but the magic in it ultimately is this. This is the key to everything. So what we're able to do is run 2 discs on 1 hub. And what that means is, if you're wanting the sprung hub, you take the sprung hub, it goes in, and it'll be sold as a kit, you know, completely like that. Down on top, goes here. But you go, oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. I want a 6-pack. Bam! So 700 foot-pounds to 1,180 foot-pounds of torque at the crank. Be available this spring. We're looking forward to it.
So just like that, we're going to have a twin disc, sprung or solid hub, or disc or 6-puck style clutch. It's at 700 to 1,180 foot-pounds of torque. Anything that you can throw at these all-wheel drive drivetrains, ACT Clutch has you covered. Go to our website, turn4auto.com, or check out ACT Clutch at advancedclutch.com.